What's going on, guys? Jump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. Today we're going to unbox a few things that I actually just received in the mail. You guys know I got my batteries. I want to get these things opened up, make sure they're looking good. Then we got a couple packages. I think this one's from Goldshell. Shout out to them, by the way. They have their 5-year anniversary, and they're actually releasing a brand new Echo miner today. It's actually a Kaspa miner, and I have the specs on it. So we're going to go over that a little bit later in this video, but I want to get these things opened up. This should be my brand new 30 amp PDU, that one that I just actually put in the solar trailer. If you guys didn't see this video, go check it out. I'll leave a link right here. Found a steal on this thing on eBay. The guy accepted my offer for 90 bucks, so I actually ended up buying another one just in case I actually end up putting another inverter in that trailer, which you guys know I do plan on building a shed fairly soon. So let's start by opening this little guy. I already cut it open, and I saw what it was. I wasn't expecting Tangem to send me over a new wallet set. I think this is their new pastel cards. So let's check this out. Actually, it says trendy pastel right there on the side. Let's open this thing up and see what colors they are. And look at that. It's like a pastel orange. That's pretty cool, huh? If you guys don't know what Tangem is, go check it out. Code CCXD gets you 10% off. This is my favorite hardware wallet, to be honest. Oh, this is a 3-card set, and they got different colors. That's cool. This is blue and a green. Dude, that's sick. I'm going to save that. I'll actually put some funds on that at some point, or maybe I'll give this thing away. We'll see. All right, let's you know what? Let's open the PDU next, and then we'll get into the batteries. Let me cut all this saran wrap off here and see if we can get into it. All right, so this part broke open, and I know this box is going to be the death of me. All of those peanuts are going to be all over my freaking garage in like 2 seconds. This is great. My kid, actually, the last one I opened over there, my kid came out here, and he literally went apeshit in the box, and there were peanuts all over the place. So I had to pick those up already once, and I'm really hoping I don't have to do that again. Crisis averted. Only lost a couple, but this thing looks as clean as the first one. Unfortunately, these are all sold out, so you guys can't buy anymore, but these things are freaking awesome. I gotta plug this in, make sure it works, so I don't have to do any RMA stuff on eBay, because you guys know eBay sucks. But for anybody that's wondering, this is a P5 1F0C3 PDU, and this thing is switchable, and I could do it right from my phone when I access the dashboard through my Ubiquity system when I'm gone, so I can actually control all my solar stuff. It's actually pretty cool. Go check that video out. All right, let's open these batteries, and then we'll open the Goldshell mystery box, because I have absolutely no idea what's in this, to be honest. So the main reason I'm actually opening this is because I want to make sure that these are the proper batteries. If you guys remember one of my other videos, I actually accidentally ordered the wrong batteries, so I had to send 3 of them back because I wanted to have 6 of the same. And yeah, so let's see. Just make sure these are the right batteries. And if they are, we're good to go. And these things are over 100 pounds a piece, so I'm not going to unstack them and go through all of them, but yeah, EG4LL. I could see it right there. Got the screen, got the breaker. Everything looks nice, and it all looks the same. Hell yeah, I got the communication cable there, and there's actually supposed to be 2 other cables in here. There they are. Perfect. All right, so that's everything. Cool. All right, I know that's legit. Now let's just open this box so we can actually get into talking about this 5th-year anniversary that they got going on. And again, they said they were going to send this over. I have no idea what it is. You just said it was some 5th anniversary stuff, so let's see. Ooh, what is that? That looks kind of cool. Is that a mouse pad? Oh, hell yeah, I needed a mouse pad actually for my laptop. That's sick. What the hell? It's a freaking box miner playing a guitar. That's awesome. All right, let's see what else they got in here. Ooh. Got a shirt. Go. I don't know what that says. Oh, it says Goldshell. I am so stupid. This says Goldshell. I was like, go Lowe's hell. What the hell? It's just the font that threw me off. It says Goldshell. That's a riot. They sent me a shirt. That's sick though. All right, what we got here? Looks like a. Is that a pennant? Banner? Let me see. Doing this one-handed. Oh, sick. Ugh. Man, that's going to be hard to unravel, but dude, that's cool. Look at that. Dude, I haven't seen these since I was like literally in middle school. That's a riot. These little banners, those are cool as hell. And then we got a little, what is this? A swag bag. Dude, that's sick. Look at this. The money gun. That's a ride. Oh, they got the Kaspa logo, LTC Doge, Sia coin. Oh yeah, they make little box miners of Forgotten Lithium. Nice. Hell yeah. Oh, Cadena. That's also there. That's discolored and down in the corner because that project went to shit. Sorry, Panda, but it's true. So again, like I mentioned before, Goldshell is their 5-year anniversary, and they just dropped a new Echo line today, actually, and they were able to provide me the spec sheet on it so I could actually record this video prior and post it for you guys today. It's the Goldshell E-KA1M, and these are the specs right here. I'll put them on the screen, but let's get down into the PC. Let's compare it to another machine that is already available on the market, and let's kind of guess what the price is going to be, because that's the only thing they didn't share with me. So let's do it. All right, again, shout out to Goldshell. Happy 5-year anniversary, and this is what they're dropping on their anniversary. This is the Echo Miner series, apparently, right? This is a new Kaspa Miner. That's the info that I have anyways, and it looks like through the blur we can kind of see a jazz miner style server rack. It looks like a 3U server miner. So I guess we're gonna have to see what it's all about. We don't have any pictures of it as of right now, but I again do have the specs. Flashbang warning, this might hurt your eyes. Here it is. We got default hash rate mode 5.5 terahashes plus or minus 5%. The default hash rate power is 1800 watts plus or minus 5%. And we'll try to find a miner that's kind of comparable to this, and hopefully we can get some guesses on prices. I would love your guys' guess down in the comments below, and hopefully it's around where you guys think it should be at. I don't know what the price is as of right now. This thing does have a low power mode, which is kind of cool. 3.8 terahashes plus or minus 5%, which is pretty neat, right? Low power mode is 1100 watts plus or minus 5%, and that is a significant drop, 700 watt drop on low power mode, but you're losing about 2 terahashes. So I mean, take it as you will, right? Can't really complain. Low power mode's nice, especially with somebody like me with the solar situation. We have, again, a Kaspa miner. It's dual mode. This has Wi-Fi or normal Ethernet, which is cool. So Wi-Fi is definitely a huge plus on this thing. And then the fan specifications is 3300 and a 15 amp power cable. Oh, and this could do 120 or 240. Look at that. It says 110 or 240 actually. So that's pretty freaking sweet. So that is pretty much just like those jazz miners, right? My X16Q is Wi-Fi and it's also Ethernet. All right, let's see. What can we find that's pretty close? So it's 5.5 terahashes on Kaspa. I probably could have just put Kaspa in the top and we would have been able to find it a lot easier. I think the KS3M is going to be the closest to it, right? Right here, we're looking like 6 terahashes. That's not right. That's not right. We're losing 21 cents a day on that right now. That's not right. That can't be right. Is that right? At 12 cents, you're losing money? What the hell? All right, I just changed it to 10 cents. Let's see. Let's see. This can't be that bad. That's terrible. KS3M. Oh my God, look at this. Look, so 2 cents higher, you're losing 21 cents a day. And 10 cents per kilowatt hour, you're making $1.42. So that makes me feel better. I'm leaving it on 10 cents. I don't know why it defaults to 12 cents over here at ASIC miner value. But anyways, again, 6 terahashes, we're making about $1.42 a day. And yeah, again, that's probably going to be the closest thing to it. So looking back at the KA1M, the E-KA1M is what they're calling it. It's only 1800 watts. So roughly half the wattage, a little bit more than half the wattage of this 3400 watts, right? 18 and 18 would be 36. So it's a little bit more than half of what this is, but it's also losing half a terahash, right? So 500 gigahashes off the top. Let's just go over to miningpoolstats.stream and we will use the calculator here to see how much Kaspa we're going to get per day on this thing. Let's see, it'd be 5500 gigahashes. We'll be getting 56 Kaspa a day. $9.35. I'm gonna have to put this in a notepad. Let's see. Okay, no, oh, way too big notepad. All right, so we're gonna do 9.35, right? All right, jumping over here to the electrical calculator. Let's see. So we got the appliance, 1800 watts appliance power, 1800. Let's just say 10 cents per kilowatt hour. 24 calculate. Is that fine, right? So it's going to be costing you $4.32 a day. All right, so we're looking like $4.32 cost of electricity right? So we're looking at about $5 a day. I'll do it just to please everybody, right? So 9.35 minus the 4.32. So about $5 a day, $5.03 to be exact. So $5 a day on this unit, 5.5 terahashes. All right, let's go and see. Price of Kaspa for one is at 16 cents if anybody cares. Let's check out terahashes. Shout out to these guys over here. Let's see if they have the KS3M. KS3M right here. $5,150. Again, this is all in pricing. I know they include taxes and tariffs. Let's jump over to one other site and see. All right, now jumping over to Crypto Miner Bros. Let's just see what they got the KS3M going for. KS3M. $6,949. That's a lot. that's a real lot. All right, so let's just kind of, I guess what the price of this Goldshell unit's going to be. All right, so between terahashes, which is 5150 rather, and Crypto Miner Bros, I can't, they're wicked expensive. $69.49. That's crazy. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think the price is going to be? I'm going to guess about 6K. I'm going to guess about 6K. That's probably where this unit's going to be, if I had to guess. Yes, you're going to earn more money per day on this unit over here with 5.5 terahashes and only pulling 1800 watts, but it's also 500 gigahashes less than the KS3M. And the only thing that really gets me on this, man, and it's like, it's no dig at anybody or Goldshell or anyone. It's like, I feel like if this unit came out a while ago, we would have, we'd see more hype, I guess, with this unit, right? Like, I'm totally pumped to have a Kaspa miner that's a server style miner. That's amazing. And I think it's fantastic, right? K heavy hash. We could hopefully mine other coins on it at some point if there's any other K heavy hash algorithms, right? I know there's a few, I'm not going to name them, but just in general, there's no real good coins, right? That's K heavy hash. Kind of like, you know, using the Jazz miners, we had Ethereum, right? ETC hash as well, could mine with those units, but Ethereum, ETH hash, you could mine like Octaspace, say. That's just one off the top of my head that I would mine over there because the DAG size is stupid low. And, you know, you could utilize your machines like that. So, I mean, I think they're a little bit late on this drop personally, but I still think it would be a very cool unit to get my hands on and actually test the thing out to see what it can make a day. $5 a day isn't too bad, but it really depends how crazy the price is. All right, let's say like if they have it at $6,000, I'm just, again, I have no idea what they're going to be charging for this thing. Divided by 5, it's going to take you 1,200 days. Divided by 365. It'll take you 3 years to pay off. Bruh. If I did that wrong, please let me know. I don't think I did. That's a long time. I don't know. Hopefully it's under 6K. I really think this thing, if they wanted to sell a shit ton of them, like put it out for a couple grand, not 6 grand. That's a lot. But I guess we're gonna have to see. So I'd love to know your guys' thoughts about this in the comments below on the new EKA1M miner. I think it's a 3U server rack style miner. Again, 5.5 terahashes at 1800 watts. It does have a low power mode, 3.8 terahashes over there at 1100 watts. I really am curious to know what the price is going to be. Hopefully it's not too high, but I guess only time will tell. As soon as they release the price, then we'll know. Huge shout out to Goldshell for sending the shirt over. Thank you very much. Tangem and getting the right batteries, and the eBay guy I bought that PDU from. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Hopefully you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.